swear, yesterday has been the worst day of my entire goddamn life. I really want to forget everything that just happened yesterday. Especially when goddamn Roxanne Wolf had destroyed my reputation.
Hey, Twisted Wolf.
What do you want, Jedediah?
There's something that, I want you to see.
If it involves me becoming Roll Stevie, I don't even want to hear it.
No, it's something, different that I want you to go see.
Alright, let's go take a look. This better be good.
Alvin, Twisted Wolf. Do you see anything different here?
Wait a minute. The last picture of the chapter, it actually doesn't show. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so happy! I'm so happy! This is the best day of my life! Oh man, I really am glad that wattpad took down the picture. Oh man, I can't wait to rub it into Jar's Productions' face and see how he likes it.